So before joining this course, I was actually in 2023, I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis. But I was suffering this problem since like 2022 January. And I did not know what was the problem. When I was diagnosed with it, then only I came to know, but my weight kept increasing and increasing. And in within like 1.5 years, 2 years, I had gained 30 kilos because of the inability to move. My all my joints were aching, all my because not knowing the problem, I was just doing my things, my simple exercises, जो भी मैं कर सकती थी, but not going to the gym, not going to any tutor because मेरे को लगता था मैं heal ही नहीं पाती थी. Sometimes spondylosis used to attack, sometimes tennis elbow used to attack, sometimes knee problems used to get activated, sometimes my back issues used to haunt. It was like some or the other joint used to be like, terrific. मतलब एकदम extreme होता था वो pain. So I could not move easily. I stopped driving in 2023. So it's like very bad for me. I have driven like for 40 years, मतलब almost like 25 years now. So stopping driving was a very big thing for me because I used to love driving. So वो बहुत सारी problems मेरे एक साथ इकट्ठे हो गए थे. Then I suddenly came to know I have RA. So the doctor suggested now you need to, work out after 2-3 months when your medicines are in your body and you are settled with the pain at least. So I started with my medication. 3 months later, I realized that I can move a little. I started exercising on my own. For at least 4-5 months, I was exercising, but I kept searching on the net. On the, I was more comfortable doing it online because I was not comfortable going outside. So I did my physios and everything with the doctors. And with that, it was like 1% change was the pain was subsided a little. So then I saw your page. I came across your this online जो आपका आता है ना ad. So वो ad जब देखा था तो I realized कि I can join here because you talked about breathing patterns, more about the patterns that I really needed that time, and not about the physical mobility or not about the physical strength. You were always talking about the inner strength. So I thought of doing it with you and I joined the class and I was very, very comfortable during talking, during your 1 month of period that you give. So that period of time, I realized that I can really be stable with you. I can really be consistent with you. I can follow this. And then, yes, I am very happy with the changes that have come across. After your class, 1 month class, I was able to join Pilates back. I had been through this. I had thought of doing it again, but God's grace, with your grace, I was able to join my Pilates back. So if we talk about physically, तो ठीक है सब में आते हैं, but mentally, emotionally, the clarity circle that you do, the psychology classes you do, it really matters. Physically, mentally, emotionally, all areas should be covered when you are doing such, yoga practices. So that was one. Then there are many changes, sir. I have written all of them. So my concentration power increased drastically. But now the concentration of seeing things together, like both my hands are working together, both my brains, I think they have stabilized somewhere. I can concentrate more on, I win all the games now. And I really defeat people with like 5-0 ka ratio. Then the traveling part, if I talk, it used to haunt me, sir. Since 2 years, it used to haunt me. The idea of traveling used to haunt me. It was like I could not sit in the car for more than 15 minutes because you cannot move in the car. You have to sit still. So that period of time, I used to think, how will I move if it is more than 15 minutes? And now, after 2 months, 3 months of practicing with you, with all the games overall, I sat in the car for all 8 hours. And you will not believe, but I walked for all 10 kilometers in 2 days. So it was like my legs were fine. I was able to sit, fold, relax. I was able to do everything which a normal person needs to do. So I'm back to driving also. I drive at least thrice or 4 times a week. I take my daughter, usually just how I used to take her. I take her, I drop her. It takes me one or 1.5 hour to come back. But I drive throughout. So that's a very big positive change for me. Then when I went to Nathdwara, I climbed all 325 stairs. I got down also, and it was comfortable. I was not having any issue with that.